How to sell and withdraw funds from Coinbase Easy 2022 tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and having an amazing day. In this video, I will be showing you how you can sell or withdraw your funds in Coinbase. Basically, I'm going to show you how you can sell any type of crypto you have added in your Coinbase, or you can sell your currency that your fiat currency that you have, or you can even withdraw any type of crypto that you have stored or your fiat currency, and you can transfer your crypto into your bank account or wallet or whatever you like. I'll show it all to you right now, right here today, and I'm going to take you through in the easiest steps possible, and I'm going to guide you through the whole video. And yeah, hopefully by the end of the video, you will be able to sell and withdraw any type of fund that you want to from Coinbase. So let's get started. First of all, obviously, you're going to need to have your Coinbase account logged in. And once it's logged in, you're going to have to make sure your interface and your account is properly set it up. Now, once it's properly set it up, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go on assets. Now, once you go on assets, I don't have any assets over here, but if you have any invested in crypto, you're going to see your crypto assets over here. For example, there's Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, whatever you've invested in. So just for an example, I'm going to go on trade. And when I go on trade, yeah, here we go. Here are the different crypto that have been provided. So, for example, let's say you have invested in one of these cryptos. They're going to show up in your assets. What you're going to do is you're just going to click on the crypto that you've invested in. Once you click on your crypto that you've invested in your assets, you're going to get a box that's going to somewhat look like this. With whatever fiat currency you have, it's going to show that. And for example, you want to pay with Bitcoin, you're going to click on your Bitcoin crypto, your assets that you have invested in. You're going to click on that. It's going to say pay with Bitcoin. It's going to say 2. Now, in 2, what you're going to need, this is very crucial, you're going to need the mobile number and the email address of the user who you're sending it to. And the mobile number and email address need to be the ones that the user associated with their Coinbase account. It can't be any other mobile phone or email address, or the assets won't be sent properly. And obviously, you can add an additional note if you want to, or you can ask them for their address. Now, where can you get their address? You can just tell them to click on send and receive. Once they do that, they just need to go on receive. And once they go here, they're going to open up their Bitcoin wallet. And once they do that, they're going to see this QR code, and right under it, they're going to see BTC address. This is their Bitcoin address. And basically, if they send this to you, and just going to copy that and paste it right down here, name your currency. For example, I'd like to send this user this much Bitcoin. If you click on this, it's going to show you the amount of Bitcoin you're going to be sending. So this is basically my fiat currency, and this is the amount of Bitcoin that my fiat currency is going to send. So yeah, basically that's how you can send someone any amount of Bitcoin that you like. Now, if you want to sell your Bitcoin, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go on assets, and over here they're going to give you a tab like this. It's going to say sell, or you can just go up here and click on buy and sell. Once you go on that, when you have your whole account set it up and thoroughly accessible, you're just going to come here, and over here you can either buy any kind of Bitcoin from here, or you can even sell. In sell, when you go to sell, it's going to give you an option to sell whatever type of crypto you have in your assets. Currently, I don't have any stored, so obviously I won't get that option, but you're going to get it if you have any type of crypto stored. And it's basically, yeah, it's going to give you a box just like this one. It's going to be the send and receive box, but obviously it's going to say sell on the top of it. So what it's going to do is you're basically going to put in the amount of crypto you want to sell. For example, you have 10 Bitcoin and you want to sell it. You're just going to click on 10 Bitcoin, and then it's going to give you some information down here, and then it's going to give the option to sell. You're just going to make sure you're going to have that amount of Bitcoin. If you obviously do not, it's going to give you an error automatically. So yeah, basically that's how you sell your Bitcoin. Now, if you want to withdraw any amount of crypto you have into your wallet or your bank account, I'm also going to take you through those easy steps right now. So, what you're going to need to do is you're going to go in assets, and over here, when you have your cryptos, you're going to click on that, and there's going to be an option to withdraw, but you won't have it right now. I'm going to show you how you're going to get it. In the top right, you're going to see this profile marker. You're going to go on settings. Now, once you go on settings, you're going to go on payment methods. And once you go on payment methods, over here, obviously, you're going to have to add a payment method. So you can either add your credit card. Obviously, in my region, they don't provide PayPal or banks. So I only have the credit debit card option. But you're going to get the PayPal option. You're going to get the bank account option over here. And you can choose any one of them. And once you put them in, what Coinbase will do is when you go into your assets, Coinbase will give you different options to withdraw your crypto straight into your wallet or your debit credit, your PayPal, whatever you like. It's going to be totally your choice. And yeah, that's basically the gist of it. That's basically how you're going to withdraw any type of money. You can even withdraw money from your wallet if you want to store it into your Coinbase. That's also possible. But obviously for that also, you're going to need to set your wallet up. So yeah, that's basically how you can withdraw money either from Coinbase or into Coinbase. So yeah, those were the easy steps to sell and withdraw from Coinbase. Okay, so Coinbase has all these features and all these tabs that you can use as I have showed you, like assets, trades. If I talk about some more tabs, if we go in Earn we can see that over here we can make different types of yields. For example, over here they're telling us earn up to 5.75% yield on your crypto. So we can just click on see what you can earn, and it's going to show us the basic gist of what we can achieve. And over here it's going to show us our lifetime earnings and the yield rate, that the average yield rate across all our assets. So this is one of the many great features that Coinbase provides us. But of course, you can only get this once you have started buying any type of crypto in your fiat currency. Only then you can see the yield rate. And you can come down here. We can discover the different types of yield rates annually from different cryptocurrencies. For example, Ethereum 2 has a 3.8% yield rate. Tezos has a 4.63% yield rate. So you can look at these, and according to these, you can buy whatever crypto you like. Now, if we come on Pay, in Pay, we can see that obviously this is, for example, if you want to gift someone or do a transaction, or this is basically just sending someone. Because when we go on send and receive, we're basically sending the crypto. So if we come on Pay, in Pay, we can see that we can basically make transactions of our cryptocurrency. For example, if you want to send it to someone, we want to gift it to someone anonymously, we can do it from here. And if we want to receive, obviously this is the same features that you can get from these two buttons on top. In the receive feature, you can get your receiving address, your receiving QR code. In the send feature, you can just send them. I told you all the features that these functions provide us. And if you go down on NFTs, over here, what happens is you go on a different homepage, which is called nft.coinbase.com. And over here, you can shop around and explore different NFTs. You can even upload your own. You can buy your NFTs, or you can just scout around, stake them, whatever you like. So Coinbase has its own different separate NFT pages as well. So that's a very useful thing to have. And obviously NFTs are on the rise right now. So I would recommend if you guys would invest in them. And yeah, that's the basic gist of it. So these are all mainly the features of Coinbase. And if we come down here for individual lookings, we can see that Coinbase has quick access to the wallet, the advanced trading. We can borrow anything from anyone. One-way transactions, NFTs. For business, we can see that there's commerce businesses. We can open it in a prime way. And if you're a developer, These are different features over here for developers. So yeah, that's the whole main interface of Coinbase. So I hope this tutorial was extremely helpful to you. And if you need any more videos like this, please do tell me. I am always available, and I will give you the easiest step-to-step guides for any type of videos that you demand. And if you have any queries regarding this video, you can let me know down in the comments. And yeah, I guess I'll see you next time. Before signing off, please like and subscribe to the channel, and leave down a nice comment if you watch the video. And please don't forget to share this video with any of your friends in need or your family. And I hope you all have a great day. So until next time, I'll see you later, and goodbye.